In the last video, we learned how to use swipe control to move our car left and right. In this video, we are going to add a dash-like effect in the game with the help of our duty library. So let's start it. First, open the script. Here, we need to add some variables. Start by adding private bool, rotate left, set this to false, and add private bool, rotate right, and set this to false as well. Now add the serialize field private float variable called smooth rotation speed and set this to 0.2. Next, duplicate this line and change the name to rotation degrees while and set it to 15. Copy this again and paste it and change the name to rotation degrees Z and set it to 5. Finally, add a float variable called LR sign. Now, let's get the value of LR sign in the awake method. Our LR sign is equal to negative method of sign transform.position.x. This function basically returns the sign of our transform.position.x. We simply grab the value and store it in LR sign variable. Next, create a new function called private void rotate left. Inside this function, check if rotate left is true. If it is true, use transform.doRotate to rotate the car with the new vector 3 of 0, 0, 0 and use smooth rotation speed to control the rotation speed. After this line of code is executed, set rotate left to false. Now add an else statement. Copy this line of code and set rotate left to true. We need to add y and z values here. First, add rotation degree y, multiply with LR sign, and then add rotation degree z, multiply with LR sign. That's it for the left rotation. Now we need another function for the right rotation. Copy the entire rotate left function and paste it here. Change the function name from rotate left to rotate right and change all the instance of rotate left to rotate right. Now it's time to call these functions. First, find the move right function and call the rotate right function on start. Then call it again on complete. Similarly, we need to call rotate left function, so copy the line and paste it. Replace rotate right with rotate left. That's it. Now save the script and go back to the Unity. Select the player and you should see that all the variables have values. Hit apply and as you can see, when we swipe, our car rotate a little, give us a dash-like look. However, there is a small problem. Our car rotates only in one direction. Let's fix that. Open the player script again and inside the rotate right function, add a negative sign in front of rotation degree y and rotation degree z. Now save and test again. You can also play these values to create a unique effect. But for now, I am happy with these settings.